Welcome to all. Here is an opportunity from the Harman company, Samsung. Location is Bangalore location. Intern fixed term trainee internship ఇది sorry details చూడండి description and requirements వచ్చేసి bachelor's degree in relevant engineering discipline or equivalent field. So current freshers and previous 2023 and 24 batches can apply for it. Basic knowledge of software architecture and development of software systems. Basic knowledge and technical understanding of development. Basic knowledge and interest to work on C++, C, Linux skills. Good communication and facilitation skills. So apply చేయాలనుకునే వాళ్ళు they can click on this link. This link is provided in the description box, and you can share to your friends also, those who are in need. Okay, so the link is available in the description box.